first met Pure Energy at the East Lansing Art Fair, where we spoke to representatives there, and then Brian came to our house, and we were really wowed by his salesmanship and also the product that he was showing us.
We got a lot of quotes from a lot of people, and what I was really the most impressed with is the amount of supplies that he brought just for the quote, and showed us exactly how our roof looks, how it's going to look with new shingles, all the underlayments, and he made it a really easy process to really understand what was going on in our home.
Install was quite a breeze. Once we got started and got going, the crew was great. There was about 13 guys in the crew that started first day. Anytime they needed to talk to us or let us know something was coming up, they were really great about just being there and being communicative with us.
In addition to that, we were just absolutely floored with how fast everything moved and how efficient everybody was, and how detail-oriented on top of that. Super impressed with the quickness, efficiency, and cleanup. We couldn't have been more happy. It completely gave our entire home a facelift. Our house is 102 years old, and we have all the confidence that it's going to be here for another 102 years with a roof. Truly the cherry on top on a home that we've worked really hard to maintain.
Compliments from the community have been really great. They've asked who's in our roof, and we've been able to have really great conversations about the work and salesmanship that we've experienced with Pure Energy.